Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on night light mode in your Motorola phone device. Guys, we want to on your night light, so as you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on night light mode in our Motorola phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on it. Then guys, scroll and guys, click on your display size. Then guys, you can see your night lights. So you can on from here, and guys you can schedule, means guys you can adjust from here. And guys, so you can see this notification night light means your screen, and but this makes it easier to look at your screen or read it in dim light, and may help you fall asleep more easily. So I hope friends you have understood how to on night light in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Bye bye friends.